Hey guys, welcome back to the school channel 53, and today we're going to be doing another toy review. So this time it's going to be Splinter from Teenage Ninja Turtles. So I got him, and he looks really cool, and I put him in a case. So I'm not gonna really touch him or show him. I'm just gonna show you him in the case. So if you zoom, so I'm gonna zoom in on this. So you see that thing in his hand right there. Yeah. And fun fact, I like the bow on him if you can see it. Let me just, okay, zoom out. And yeah. So he's really cool. So there's nothing really on his back. But he's really cool. If you look on the side, it looks like some kind of fish. Really cool. I like him. Give him a 10 out of 10. I know, I'm not, this is not a rating video. Not like any other rating videos. Chuck E. Cheese! I went to Chuck E. Cheese. Ooh, Hot Wheels, that's cool.
It has new sticks.
Well, yeah, I play with Hot Wheels almost every day.
Like, did you see the one that
I didn't play with any of. I didn't even say Hot Wheels in a sentence today.
Oh, your worst nightmare, right? Your worst nightmare.
Oh my, that's my worst nightmare.
And it's your worst nightmare food.
Oh my
It's oh, it's your favorite show now.
Oh wait, Nick Jr. Nice.
It's Papa.
Ew.
What's your favorite show?
Fat. So, this dude is probably like, hey, get me out of this case, I don't like it in here. Now his feet. His feet are really look like a lizard. But what do you think he is? To me, he looks like a bear, but he's purple. He just looks like a purple bear. Not gonna lie, he just looks like a purple bear. Like,
what's that sound? Is it a car alarm? Is it a fire engine? No, it's baby Alexander.
ew, baby Alexander. Why is that crying annoying? Shut.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Uncle Pig.
Could you shush? Shush. Okay, I cannot.
Y'all go finish eating because we gotta take a shower.
Oh, I don't want to take a shower. It makes me wet, so I'm gonna end it here. So bye.